Good afternoon, everyone. This is Monday, the 12th day of January 2026. Thanks for joining me in this video. In the year 2021, Mr. Abdusalami Abubakar was accused that his helicopter is being used to transport weapons to ISIS, transport weapons to Boko Haram, and these people they call the bandits. Not only food, and also some foodstuffs and other things that these people need. So the man came out to say, no, it's not my helicopter. I don't know anything about it. So he debunked it. And he went further to say that if it is even his helicopter, that his helicopter is on rent, so he don't know about it. But the base of the news was the man denied it. He said there is nothing like that. That is not his helicopter. That is it is fake news. That people are saying that it is his own. So let us take it that what this man said, okay, is true. Let's take him by his word. He has debunked it because the DSS, the police, did not, carry out investigation. If they do, their investigation is unclassified. There is no such record on the internet space or in the newspaper or in their memos. I did not see it. I have done investigation about that. So, for someone to be accused of using helicopter to aid bandit and no investigation that was carried out and publicly disclosed to people, it speaks volume. But that is not where I'm going. Now, when Benin Republic, go to know when they started closing their borders with the Kwara State, that time that these people, IC started coming in Kwara State, I made a video, okay? Just go to YouTube and type helicopters dropping terrorists in Kwara State by Coach Happy myself. You will understand everything. So we made the video that time, but we had the challenge that period. The helicopter's number. Remember, I would like you to go and watch the video. Maybe I'll try to link the link of the video in the description section. The number of the helicopter. The helicopter have number, identification number. So with that number, we are supposed to know who owns the helicopter. But the reason why we did not take the case so hard is because the helicopter was snapped, but the number was not shown. So it was a challenge to us because you can't come out to say this helicopter looked like this man's own. This helicopter looked like a military helicopter. This helicopter looked like police helicopter. With that number, what you are passing out will not be taken serious. So we need that helicopter's number. Okay. The second thing there was it happened in Enugu State. The same helicopter that is white. The white is not that, it's like, how would I put it now? The white is not sharp. It's like when you mix white with a little bit horse corn or something like that. That is one of the helicopter, but it is white with two stripe of green. The same helicopter was seen in Enugu State before that killing happened. Okay, you can still go and type helicopters dropping terrorists in Enugu State by Coach Happy myself. You will see the video, understand everything I talk about that. Now, fast track to Kogi State would happen. Fast track to Niger State, where Catholic school children were kidnapped. So I listened to the staffs when they were granting interview to AIT. They told AIT News that when they were hiding, they saw the helicopter up, monitoring the kidnapping, the abduction of school children. But now, where I came to understand that that helicopter that was marked green, white, and green, maybe it belongs to Nigerian government. Hey, I said maybe it belongs to Nigerian government was because the military men who were, guiding the school, they were called to get out of that place because kidnappers are coming. So it was an order from above, from Abuja. And up to today, everybody saying, who made the call, who made the call? I told you people, the call came from the Ministry of Defense. If it is not from Ministry of Defense, the call came, they should provide who called the soldiers. The soldiers that did that, where are they today? They said they detained them. Like, you can't fool me, okay? You can fool as many Nigerians you want to fool, but not me. Now, after the confession of the staffs to AIT News, I launched personal investigation. People who were close to them, people who were hiding, they saw the helicopter, they were afraid to talk. It takes a lot of time to be able to convince people that their identity will not be revealed. How do you see this helicopter? Nobody was able to snap picture. They were running for their life. They were hiding for their life. So it's not the time to snap picture. They still said that the helicopter that was monitoring the kidnapping was the helicopter that was striped to green. The helicopter is still white, green, white, and green. Now, I was listening, that was 2 days ago. when the protest was growing in Ekpa, Edo State. By the way, don't forget we predicted what is happening in Edo State today. That listen, Edo State will be taken over by these people, and heaven will not fall unless the people who owns the place rise and said enough is enough. The government can't do anything. So I was listening to the people who are protesting, and this is what they are saying.
Now to say helicopter go come Ekpa. Yes. Who are these people? They're not going to detect them. They're not going to detect helicopter come Ekpa. Make come bring these people now. Let us see them. Let them give us hope.
If you come to the station now, all the equipment are already there. They are moving.
No. After they kill somebody. No. After they kill somebody. That one don't.
Yes, that is what they are saying. Helicopter again was dropping these people. Hello, Honorable, is it Honorable? Yeah, Honorable Christopher Musa, Honorable Minister of Defense. Who owns this helicopter now? Who owns this helicopter that is, parabolating in Nigeria freely, delivering weapons? Like, I don't get it. Who owns this helicopter? And I am telling you that the terrorists had used this helicopter once to carry that attack, not only dropping logistics. How can a helicopter be flying over Nigeria everywhere? Nigeria government can come out to deny that they are not aware of it. Come on. I know we are living in a crazy world, but this is a collusion taken too far. This is a collusion taken too far. Look at what is going on in Nigeria, terrorism, everything, and everybody is focusing on 2027 election. Tinubu is missing. Tinubu is nowhere to be found. Running Nigeria from I don't know where he went to. Informations are not being passed to the public. If you don't want to be a public servant, then you stay in your house. Not that you're a public servant, then you are hiding your head, hiding this, hiding this. I do not blame them. I blame the people they are leading. The people who think they knows everything when they knows nothing. Look at the situation we have put ourselves because of our weakness, because of we don't want to do this, we don't want to die, but the real people are dying. I told someone yesterday that far back 2015 was when I crossed my mind and I don't fear death any longer. Because what I understand is that people who fear death die soon. They die faster than people who don't fear death. People who are sleeping, just look at I don't know the adjective to qualify the situation we have in Nigeria now. So this video is not just to come out to decry and lament what is going on. It's also to pass information that there is a helicopter that was painted or that is painted green, white, and green. That right from time, I have been following this history. I have been following this step by step. Guys, this helicopter have been championing the cause of logistics for these terrorists. This helicopter has been championing logistics for these terrorists. So people should be very careful. People should be very, very careful. The reason why I'm saying this is because when T.Y. Danjuma told you people that these people are colluding, armed forces are colluding with these people. Armed forces are the government. It takes order from the government, okay? A lot of people say, T.Y. Danjuma, you yourself is a bad man. No problem. Even though devil speaks the truth. Take the truth and, throw the devil away. Kunde Olawumi came, he spoke. Generals, Nigerians, listen to your generals, retired generals, commanders. Listen to them. They are telling you the truth. The government is killing you. Then does it make sense? How can you come out to say the government are killing the people? It doesn't make sense. Wow. It doesn't make sense. But I'm going to tell you that it makes sense. It makes sense. Some people love death because they are mandated to do that. They were mandated to do that. Who mandated them? What they believe in Sharia. You are infidel. They can kill you. So these people are in the government. They are everywhere. So there is nothing, absolutely nothing that people in government who don't like it can do to stop them. When I mean people in government, I mean they put you as a minister of defense, they put you as IGP of police, they put you as this or that, or maybe you even become a president. You can't stop it because you've got to give order. You are a president. You are not going to go to the battlefield and start fighting people, right? So I am promising, my followers here that you see that helicopter number, we are going to get it because the helicopter is still going for missions. These people plan, some of them are already in the, classified informations that are classified to me. And I think We will do everything it takes to get this helicopter number, snap this helicopter, compare it to people with, the helicopters that have been dropping weapon, and we will use the number to know who owns the helicopter. And by God's grace, we are going to get the number. Yes, we are going to get the number. Because, you see, when we are talking about the government's involvement in all this terrorism, people find it difficult to comprehend. Look at the former Attorney General of the Federation for 8 years under Buhari. He's facing terrorism financing. The next video I'm going to do now is on about the weapons found in his house. Look at Attorney General of the Federation. Look at what he did to Sowore during his time. Look at what he did to Nnamdi Kanu. Like, people need to understand where we are now. We're in a very big mess. What is the solution to this problem? I have always said it that there is a dangerous diversity in Nigeria. Let everybody manage their security and resources. More on this, let partition take place. Remember when Nigeria was in regional government, things was not that tense like this. The infiltration was not like this. But people rejected the regionalism system or the regional system, and because they know what they want, and they opt for this federal system that is a pseudo federal system. Like, this is nothing but an agenda to conquer the people. There is nothing like a country existing. This is just a committee of people, a committee of agendas who want to conquer the people. And I am not saying anybody should not play politics. Okay? But I want you to put your mind where this country is going to, so that if you play your politics, you know the kind of politics you're playing. Rally around your people. If you want to play politics, play the politics of your people. Please your people. Protect your people. A lot of things will happen in Nigeria. Protect your people. I know why I'm saying this. Because last, it is only your people that will save you from what is coming. It's only your people that can rally around you. So many people can't go home when these doomsdays will start. Some people can't go home. They can't go home because of, they are not good to their people. They can't go home. So make sure you rally around your people, because you see, this nonsense going on in Nigeria will be challenged. And it will be challenged with power. It will be challenged with force. And I don't know what that could lead to. But till then, I am Okocha Happy myself, a conflict and insecurity reporter.